What's up, everyone? It is Friday night, October 18th. We're back with our first break of the night. We might have more breaks, we might not, but this is break number 1382. Triple box of Clear Cut, Premier, and SP Authentic. As always, it's a modified PYT. If you buy 3 or more teams, you get double the entries. So I already have the list up. Thanks, Jason. Here is our dice roll. Well, we got to re-roll the dice. Let me just paste the list here. Oh, that's not the right list. Okay, there's the list. I got one blank spot here. I got to take care of that. Okay, so Fred Kwan has the Anaheim Ducks. It comes all the way down to the last person that has a team is Robert K, which is Howdy Rowdy. We do, Blair. We watch hockey. And so that's the original list of all 30 teams that purchased. The Canucks are free. For every 3 teams or more, you get double the entries. Fred Kwan bought 4 teams, so he gets 4 extra entries. Albert Perry bought 3 extra, 3, so he gets 3 extra. JP gets 3 extra. Kyle King with 6 teams, so he gets extra 6 entries. And Jerry with 3 extra, and Jason Barbosa with 3 extra. So these are all the ones, the extra spots for the Canucks. Let's see the dice roll. Dice roll is 5 times, and the name on top wins the Canucks. I'll do the same list for the box giveaway at the end of the break. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. 1, 52 names. 2, the highest we had was 55 names. 3, 4, 5th and final. The Canucks is Jerry Guy. Sorry, Kyle. I know how badly you wanted with those teams, but Jerry Guy wins the Canucks again. And last time he won, he got a Pedersen out of it, and he won again. So there you go, Jerry. You are the winner of the Canucks. Okay, let's grab this list. Let's go here. My OBS is right there. Copy and paste. Okay, there's the list, guys. How you doing, Ryan? I'm glad that you are more active on Facebook now. Is this? I told you everyone uses Facebook. You're like, oh, I don't use Facebook. I'm like, you have to. So there you go. Ryan is here. Everyone else looks like they're here. Good luck, everybody. And again, so what we're going to do, guys, we're going to do this break, and then we're going to do the box giveaway for the break. Then I'm going to open the case, master case of Clear Cut. We're going to take one side for break number 1387. Again, if it fills by 8 o'clock tonight, we'll run it tonight. If not, we'll resume tomorrow. And worst case scenario, on Sunday when we have the bunch of people here at the shop, we'll get it done. And then we're going to have the personal break for Jared and Tyler. 3 boxes of clearly authentic baseball. Okay, so we're going to start with... We're going to do Clear Cut at the end. We're going to start with SP Authentic, guys. Good luck, everybody. Team holders are on the left-hand side of the screen. I don't need to read it out loud. Everyone knows what they have. Good luck to you all. I don't know why I destroyed the box like that, but here, let's just destroy the box. How about that? There you go. Good luck. And here we go. Come on, give us a patch. We start with a Marc-Andre Fleury rookie year milestone for the Penguins. Yeah, I know. I know that's all. Well, at least I got you to start using Facebook, right? I know you only watch the breaks with it. Oh, ooh. Nice hit. Nice hit. Very nice hit. 580 out of 999 for you, Mr. Ryan. Brady Tkachuk, Future Watch autograph to 999. Nice hit for Savage. I try. Nice hit for Ottawa. No, I had to take my anger out of that box. Sorry, guys. I showed my anger on camera. There you go, my friend. Your Ottawa finally hit. I see you bought Ottawa and a few other breaks. Hopefully we get you a nice Tkachuk from either Clear Cut or the Cup. That would be nice. You are welcome. Oscar Lindblom, Future Watch Spectrum for the Flyers. Red Thomas Hurdle for the Sharks. Morgan Riley, Authentic Moments for the Leafs. Red Jonathan Quick for the LA Kings. Oops. Well, it was a decoy anyways. Oh, Oilers scored. We have a Carey Price for the Habs. Montreal going to Mr. Laflamme. Mark Messier. Moose for the Rangers. Is that what they called him? Moose? Sidney Crosby, red for the Penguins. For the Sabres, Authentic Moments of Jack Eichel. Jake Muzzin update for the Leafs. Yeah, we should have at least one more auto. Mitch Marner, SB Retro for the Leafs. Final stack. Authentic Moments for the Avalanche of Nathan McKinnon. There's our other Future Watch. It is for the Boston Bruins. 124 out of 999. Jacob Zorbil. Or Zorel. Or Borel. I don't know why I've been calling Zorbil. It's not spelled that way. But Jacob Borel or Zorel for the Boston Bruins is our new guy, John Comano. Welcome to the breaks, John, and congrats. We're hitting one of the autos at the box. Daniel Sprung update for the Anaheim Ducks. And we have a Future Watch non-auto 218 out of 999 for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Matthew Joseph. What position? Is he a defenseman? Shoots left. He's not a defenseman, right, Matthew Joseph? Can we get a patch in the last two packs? We have a Young Guns for Chicago of Colin Delia. Chicago is Kyle King. Colin Delia Young Guns. Going to the Jets, Ilya Kovalchuk. It's a Thrashers. Thrashers move to Winnipeg. And that's a Jets hit. And the final pack is a Tanner Pearson update for the Penguins. Didn't really finish well, but good box though. Bueno, bueno. Okay, we're down to Premier and the clear cut. Nice Brady Tkachuk there. We'll put Brady right there. There's Premier. Final box from the ones that I initialed, ending with, what number is that? 65. 65. If it's an autograph tin of Patrick Roy, it's going to go to Montreal. Is it? No. Still no auto tin. Oh, we got 3 thick ones there. So 2, 4, 6 cards. Good luck, everybody. For Minnesota, 212 out of 299, Jordan Greenway, rookie. What's up, Howdy Rowdy? Howdy Rowdy. Is Dean Long chicken foot? Can you confirm that, please? For the San Jose Sharks, number 29 out of 199, Brent Burns. Oh, we're going to go at the bottom. I forgot. 1 card on the bottom. That is Christian Vesalainen, Winnipeg Jets, rookie jersey. For Howdy Rowdy. We have a gold rookie patch auto. It is... Nice patch. Nice. Very nice. 32 out of 99. I thought it was Ethan Bear. Cooper Marudi, Edmonton Oilers. Gold rookie patch auto. For Jerry and the Oilers. I was going to say Bill Cunningham, but I looked at the name. It was Jerry. Jerry has the Oilers this time. And next up is Kuzi. Premier Signatures, Evgeny Kuznetsov, Washington. Albert Perry. Kuznetsov used the thick pen. And the final card, is it a mega patch? It is New Jersey Devils. No one but Jason Barbosa. 18 out of 25 for the New Jersey Devils. Mega patch of Nico Hischier. There you go, Jason. I think now you have to put the whole logo together. Nice mega patch. Nico Hischier for the Devils. And the clear cut box, guys. Final box of the break. It's only 1 card. I can't say if you haven't had a hit. Hope you hit one now. I'll say that, but it's only 1 card. So, hopefully it's for someone that did not have a hit. Come on, big one. Come on, big one. It is 2 cards. 2 people will get something. Ooh. Wow. Nice one there. Young Gun Tribute. Autograph. Buffalo Sabres. Jack Eichel. That's got to be Group B, I think. Nice hit. Jack Eichel Young Guns Tribute. And the card behind it is, why not, for the Philadelphia Flyers, Carter Hart, canvas rookie, Kyle King. There you go, Kyle. These were selling pretty decent, actually. They were going to about $100. That was a good break, guys. That was a really good break. There's a little bit more tape left behind this. Wow, that's a good hit. That's a good hit, JP Brabant. That's a good hit, my friend. Got a little bit of a thing scratched off over there, but hey, if you want me to scratch it and send you the code, before, so you can start redeeming it while waiting for it, let me know. And we're giving this box away, guys, to one member. Bear with me. And then we'll open that box for that person as well. So nice break. Nice break. Very nice. I would love to see that Jack Eichel when it comes in, JP.
We don't open anything, so we buy collections all the time, and we haven't bought any of that stuff. So that's kind of how that works. I would only take it because that was not a hobby product. So we mainly deal with like the hobby products. That was actually supposed to be a Walmart exclusive. Yeah, when I saw them in there. Yeah, we sourced some out of the U.S. and brought them in,
Send you the code?
like if you had an autograph.
Holy smokes, guys.
Obviously, I would be interested in buying it. Yeah, so that's
Look at that.
So the high end stuff, yeah, I'd be interested in that, but it's not.
Look at that. That's US, by the way. We won't know how much, but that's US price. That's a US price. So if someone was asking $1,500 US, they won't be accepting $500. That's gotta be at least $1,000 US card. Wow, big hit. Big hit. How much did you pay for Buffalo? Like $30?
It's not something that I'm frequently. I am not frequently asked for that product. So, well, no. I mean, I buy
Everything on eBay is like $800, $750 and up. Buy it now, or best offer. That's got to be at least $1,000 card, guys. I'll send you the code after. That's got to be $1,000 card. Congrats, my friend. Well deserved. See? That's why you buy Buffalo. That was a good break. I like it. That was a good break. Okay, let's see who wins the box. Good luck, everybody. $30. $30 turned into $1,000. Just like that. Congrats, my friend. You haven't hit anything in a very long time. Or actually, no. A couple of weeks ago, you hit something. You said finally. Was that? Am I right?
But I did, yeah.
Okay, let's see who gets the box of Clear Cut. Hopefully, that's a hot box too. I gotta take. Where is it? Okay, there's the list, guys. Let's do the dice roll.
If you're looking for like young guns to fill sets and things like that, we've got lots of
Oh yeah. The exclusive Clear Cut auto.
Well, it'd have to be
Kukiniemi, right? Yeah, there you go.
I have so many thousands.
So 4 times, guys. Name on top wins the Canucks. Again, here are all the spot holders. Original spot holders all the way to Rob K and the Jets. And then we have all the extras with Fred Kwan with extra 4, Albert with extra 3, JP with extra 3, Kyle King with extra 6, Jerry with extra 3, and Jason Barbosa with extra 3. Well, I just realized no Canucks hit in that one. So it's not always exciting when you get the Canucks. You got to hit it too, right? Anyways, good luck, everybody. Name on top wins the box, and we'll open it right now. 1, 2, 3, 4th and final. The box of Clear Cut goes to Jason Barbosa. Nice. Congrats, Jason Barbosa. You win the box of Clear Cut. This was randomized 4 times. And Jason Barbosa is the winner of the box. Once again, he won it last time too. Jason Barbosa. So let's see what you get. Hopefully we get something sick like that one as well. Good luck, my friend. This was a fresh case, by the way. It is Neil Poink. Still, it was free. Neil Poink for Jason Barbosa and that box. See, you get like a $1,000 box, and then you get a $40 box. So different, this product. It's crazy. Okay. He actually just picked up his other free box today. So he got himself another one. At least it wasn't Valimaki, right?
Eichel. I only have one Eichel. You want to trade me an Eichel?
I have 2 Eichels.
I don't want another Eichel. I've got one
I
Eichel.
already have
And,
one, so it's not gonna work for you.
yeah.
Because then you have 3 Eichels and 1 other guy.
Yeah. So no, but it changed. Like,
Oh yeah, no, it's changed.
I mean, when
Okay,
we were
we're doing
last, we
personals, guys.
probably had-
Clear cut, authentic, clearly authentic. Sorry, not clear cut, authentic.
Okay.
Clearly
so,
authentic
As you
for
can see, it changes every day.
Jared
We come in
and
here 2 days from now, and we've got.
Are you still trading or are you starting to sell?
Jack Eichel.
I need
This
some
one.
heads, but depending on how much you have, I don't want to buy them all off on you, right?
I'll sell anything. I don't care.
That's a good one, right, Paul? And
Put my reds out here.
and Nico Hischer, Mega,
2 more. Matthews and Laine.
Brady Kachuk, Future Watch, and a canvas Carter Hart. So overall, not a bad break. Oh, very good break, I would say. It was a very good break. 1382. So let me quickly open the master case, guys. We're gonna take a case for our clear cut. Here's a master case. I haven't seen how many teams are left, guys. We have half an hour to see if we can fill it. If not, we'll come back tomorrow. And worst case scenario, Sunday we'll get it done. Okay. Let's see. There's the 2 cases. The other one, we'll decide to see if we want to do a draft or if we want to do another PYT. So 377, the lower one we'll take. So 77, I only count the last 2 digits. And 35, guys. So we have 35 and we have 77.
Back in just a couple of minutes.
So there's 77, there's 35. So this is going to be for PYT number 4. And I'll initial this one, ending with 377 for a future clear cut break. So this one is 1387 clear cut PYT. Yeah, let's keep it going for Jared's baseball break. Okay, let's take. Okay, here are the clear cut boxes, Jared. All the 15 boxes that I had on display there. They have numbers on it. If you have a favorite number, let me know. I will dig through them. 65, 66, 70, 72, 73. Oh, it goes in order. 62, 61, 67, 68, 69. Pretty sure you want box number 69, right? 64, 63, 74, 75, and 76. So yeah, it's in order pretty much from like 61 to like 74 or 75, somewhere in that range. It's a personal here, Paul. It's Jared's 3 personal boxes. Middle. So this is the middle stack. Not middle stack, middle stack. Let's put these ones on top here. And from a middle stack, we got 62, 61, 67, 68, and 69. Just do middle of each pile. Okay, we'll do a middle of each pile. There you go. So there is one right there. There's one right there. And there's one right there. Metal from each. So you ended up with 74, 70, and 67. No 69. It's pretty much the same thing, Paul. Is our Premiere case? Can you see? You're going that way?
What do you want?
Can you just tell me how many Premiere is left? That's the case that I opened for Kevin. 4?
Yeah.
Kevin, I still have the 4 other boxes from that case I opened for you.
There's the numbers. They should match the other.
The other, so I opened, right? Yep. Okay, well, I gotta open Jarrett's first, and then we'll do those. Okay, good luck, Jarrett. Alonso would be nice, or Vladdy would be nice.